Hello everyone, I'm here today to talk about my personal project, which is a math game and a website, interactive website, which focuses on kids from age 8 to 4, 4 to 8. The inspiration is as someone who has always hated math, and I noticed that many kids struggle with math. At times, math also feels daunting. So, at my own experience in school, this inspired me to create a math website which makes math fun and engaging for kids to study without any pressure. I wanted to transform math from a subject of stress into an adventure filled with excitement and discovery. My personal reflection working on this project has been incredibly rewarding. It has always allowed me to combine my passion for math and learning towards subjects. I've learned so much about education strategies and development. I've gained a deep appreciation for the challenges that young learners face.